So I have some clothes and shoes that I'm going through right now, that I'm going to donate to persons who are affected. So I'm just gonna go through them and see what I can donate, because some of them are my personal stuff. So I'm just going through to see some of the stuff that I have not worn in some time. You know, we have clothes, but we have good clothes them, but sometimes we not even remember so we have them until we start go through. Yeah, so I have a lot of those, especially shoes. I have a lot of heels, I have a few sneakers. So I'm going through and see, you know, what I'm going to give to somebody who is in need right now, because we know that we're going through the devastation of the hurricane, and you know, so there's a lot of persons out there that lost everything. So I'm just going through until they can find stuff that I can give back to persons. So I have these shoes that I've never worn before. It's a Burberry. I got it maybe a few months ago. I got this. So I'm going to give this away. I've never worn it before. I think I'm gonna try it on, and that was it. I'm not a sneakers girly, so I'm just going to give somebody this. I don't know where it's gonna end up, but I'm going to give somebody who really needs it. Yeah. So yeah, and I also have some other stuff that I know persons will appreciate. I've never worn this. Oh yeah, I think I'm wear it one time. So I wear this once. Wear this one time. One day time. One time I wear this. Wearing it, I only wear it and took pictures. So it's not like I go outside and they're all over the place. I just wear it and took some pictures, and that was it. So I'm going to go through the rest of stuff. I empty that basket already. I have the next one to empty, so the stuff on the ground. So I'm just gonna go through and pick out what I'm going to give away. And a good things them may I give away. When I give a foolishness, good stuff may I give people. You get me? I'm giving away good stuff, like good things. I'm not giving a foolishness, guys. You get me? This was a heels that I wore one time for my birthday. Like one time. Like all of my stuff that we may give back is good things. I'm not giving a foolishness. So I'm not go to the details and show everything, but cause you know that people will get them. But a good something I give it, cause you know anything that I want for myself is the same thing I'm going to give to people, or give to anybody who I normally give. I always give people good stuff, right? Same thing I want, the same thing I will give. So I'm gonna finish, go through, and yeah. So guys, I'm going on the road shortly. I'm going to PriceSmart. I'm going to get some stuff that I'm going to also donate. So I have to just hurry up, because when I come back, you know, I have to try to sort out those two. I don't know why I'm waiting last minute to do this, but better I do it than I do it none at all. So I'm gonna hurry up so I can get for going on the road, because I'm behind time right now, and the place soon lock, maybe in the next 2 hours or so. I'll see you guys either when I come back or at PriceSmart. My dear. I think that one never time properly. But after St. Elizabeth right now, we're going to do God's work. We're giving back to the communities that are destroyed. We're carrying water and and juice supply, and we're actually traveling our convoy. So other persons are bringing other essential stuff. And guys, please remember, if you're going to travel to these affected areas, please remember to bring your security, bring police, bring your own your security overall, right? Because you don't know what's going to happen, and you need to travel in just to be safe, right? And there's, I get to understand, so there's no cell service, there's no signal, so ensure say what you don't have to do before when you get on the road, when you can't call nobody. So just ensure that you know this. So what I know we know, and I don't know what time we're going to reach, but I know we, and we're gonna just do what we have to do today. So I'll see you when I get there. I'm going to vlog when I'm there, so that you guys can see what's going on the ground. And yeah, we're out and we're about, and we do the Lord's work. Some reason like something wrong with the road.
Yeah, I do. But we don't go at not
Something wrong with the road. Not too much load and the truck itself.
stop sometime. What the reason why I'm not like driving a convoy either? Because somebody are going to we have got too slow. They have 100, you know.
Somebody tell us they are going to
And the speed limit is 80, and somebody has say, oh, it's a good too slow. Tired. And drive. They must pay it at 1 part.
right on the truck across. You know something is wrong. Something is really wrong. Truck across. I don't know why. I don't know. Funny look, funny look. When you stop, you know what's going on. Oh, it's funny, oh God, saya nak go out of ending. And then I mean, what a head caught me dear.
And the troublemaker guy, man, get trouble.
Alright, so we're off and about now. we're in Westmoreland now, and we're going to go in the rural, like the deep rural areas. Most of the persons come out in the town, and you know they're in a better, you know, they can move around a little bit than other persons who will stop and I try to organize everything and where's the next step and where we should go next. So I want to think with Jamaican people, they like giant line, you know? Jesus Christ. There. No, sir. No, sir. People have now all the meds. I'm telling you, I don't need police because I tell you, I not easy something. I don't need police and security. A chaos. I don't need security.
Just reaching What's to the left in your side, you get two slippers.
Later when I show where our house.
So we have one more stop. It's a long day, but we have to do what we have to do.
Yeah, short them.
Yeah, enough we have, but I would just give them out. Yeah? Enough juice. But I would give them out. Juice and water.
Let's up.
All right.
Sorry, no drive, no drive. Thanks, no one.
Jesus.
Dale que ¿eh?
Jesus. God.
Gosh. C'est somebody. Game. Come in, father. Alright. Gila ka ba? Yo, come in. Come on. Cheer them up. Go for that. What's behind? Wait this.
You talking to?
Yes.
No, give him one more. Give him two.
Okay. Alright.
Daddy. All this again. Yeah. More?
Because they come and they point to some community with some hooligans.
Thank you very much. I don't may come off our work. God
Yeah,
bless
you're
you
welcome.
here
Yeah.
and safe travel.
Thank you.
Call him. See him there.
I'm still out today, Andrew. Correct.
Alright.
Nice.
All this. All them general.
Yeah.
Alright.
Pick up yourself.
One of the girl one.
Thank you.
Alright, so them to the man.
And thanks. God bless you.
All this. Much if you're on there.
In there.
Take them up. You already have one. Give him one.
so much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, just there go and get rid of that hole. Eh?
Yeah, man. Bless. All the best. Give me one. And take one in your hand. Do I eat that now?
Yeah, I think one day about.
Give them woman right there.
So want water here, mommy? Want water? Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Get it.
Alright, so next one here. Alright.
Alright. Give a little one them this. You done? Sure.
Yeah, says up. Woo! Most money may tell you like the man be like give me the ick. Like the man not drive. It's like all people in a survival mode. Him not drive as a a survival mode driver. He just
Then move it.
one team. I'm gonna like say a trip with my man. In family. You know what?
Him drive.
Almost that cause what?
Do that first.
Come fig get in and get out. Give the people want to get and come out. No, you come cruise. The love of God, man. Place pitch dark. If you carrying a pass on the road, there's no light. What light in the bus where the man go around and watch out. I didn't want to go say no. Then she can tell that man. How much hours in can't people them sick of it now, man. Yeah, true man, never stand up on the rights. From morning. From like after what? From after 6? Guys, please donate anything you can, no matter how small it is.